So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Solver application in Excel by how to find possible bills or invoices that total the given amount paid by a customer or vendor. So assuming you received a check from a customer, for example, this one 5855.34, but doesn't indicate which invoices or bills were paid. So Solver application in Excel can help you find the possible invoices. So first, you need the date or the list of invoices, then the total amount. This data came from AR aging. So I just copy the date, invoice number, and the amounts for invoices. Copy it, and then I'll just paste it in the new sheet. And then the amount I want to know, which is paid, is this one. For this invoice number, 5855.34, paste it here. After that, beside the total for this invoice, type 0, and then in column E, type equals, then choose 140.70 times 0. Oh, just copy this formulas D and E all the way below up to the last possible invoice and face. After that, total the column E below here, type equals, then sum and parentheses, then choose these columns, rows, I mean, then enter. So I'll just highlight this one because this is the sum of all these invoices. After that, the amount I want to know which invoices is paid is 5855.34. Then below that, type equals, then 5855.34 minus the summation here in column E, then enter. After you prepare the data here, up here choose data tab, then in the right corner choose solver. But if you don't have this solver tab in the data tab, you can go in file in the upper left, then below lower left options, and then click add-ins. After that, Excel add-ins, choose Excel add-ins, and then go. After that, check the solver add-in, and then okay. After you do that, here in data, the solver should appear here. So when you already have the solver, just click the solver application. In the set objective, where objective is 5855.34, this is the amount we want to know which invoices were paid. After that, in this two, choose value up and then put the amount 0. Under the by changing variable cells, click this and then choose all the 0 in column D. Choose all of this. And then here should be blank, okay? And then click this blank, then click add. Then again, click all the 0 in column D. And then in this arrow, click bin or binary. After that, click OK. After you do that, and select a solving method, choose simplex LP. After that, click solve. So now the Excel solver is searching the possible invoices for the amount you want to know. The computation will depend with how long the list you provided for the solver to compute. But if you provide longer invoices list here, the solver will compute it for a long time. So you have to choose which invoices possible are paid. Okay. After the result is found, click OK. So now here, uh, these are the invoices that the solver found were possible for this 5855.34. I'll just filter this data. Filter. Okay. Here it is. So now we have the possible list of invoices. This is the invoice number, and this is the amount per invoice. This is what the solver computed, and this is the total. Let's check this if it is the same. 5855.34. That's now okay. So that's also you can practice this 4465.20 in this sheet. That's all.